Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a delay before booting into BIOS using a desktop shortcut. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Create a shortcut on your desktop. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Select New Shortcut from the context menu. 2. Enter the command. In the location field, type the following command: shutdown r/fwtxx, replace x with the number of seconds you want the system to wait before restarting, e.g. 30 for 30 seconds. /r, this parameter specifies that the computer will restart. /do forces a reboot into firmware BIOS UEFI on the next boot. /txx specifies the time delay in seconds before the reboot takes place. 3. Name your shortcut. Click Next. Enter a name for your shortcut like Reboot to BIOS with delay. Click Finish. 4. Set the shortcut to run as administrator. Right-click the newly created shortcut on your desktop. Select Properties. Click the Advanced button in the Shortcut tab. Check the box that says Run as Administrator. Click OK, then OK again to close the Properties window. Usage. Double-click the shortcut on your desktop. The computer will wait for the specified time, e.g. 30 seconds, and then restart directly into the BIOS/UEFI. This method allows you to avoid having to press F2, F10, or F12 during the restart and gives you some extra time to perform other tasks before booting into BIOS.